Hello everyone, I am Nivedita Jena from Ambika Prasad Research Foundation. Welcome to all of you to our channel Biodiversity and Conservation. So let's discuss about the medicinal plants of Odisha, and this is the part 1. So let's start. What is medicinal plants? Medicinal plants are the plants that possess therapeutic properties or exert beneficial pharmacological effect on the animal body are generally designated as medicinal plants. This term refers to plants like trees, shrub, or herb, fresh or dried, utilized in any forms of medicinal use, which are thought to prevent to or promote well-being or produce cures. It also includes plants that have multiple uses, that is, as a source of perfumery or as the constituents of herbal teas, shampoos, soaps, cosmetics, etc. And according to the World Health Organization, medicinal plant is any plants which, in one or more of its organs, contains substances that can be used for therapeutic purpose or which are precursors for chemopharmaceutical semisynthesis. Here are the characteristics of medicinal plants. Medicinal plants have many characteristics when used as a treatment as following. The first one is synergic medicine. When the ingredients of plants all interact simultaneously, so their uses can complement or damage others or neutralize their possible negative effects. Then those called synergic medicine. Then the support of official medicine. In the treatment of complex cases like cancer diseases, the components of the plants prove to be very effective. And the preventive medicine, it has been proven that the component of the plants also characterized by their ability to prevent the appearance of some diseases, and this will help to reduce the use of the chemical remedies which will be used when the disease is already present, that is reduce the side effect of synthetic treatment. Here we are going to discuss about the advantages of medicinal plants. It's having following advantages. With the growing interest in health and wellness, alternative medicines are becoming increasingly popular worldwide. Also, with the increasing prices of prescription medicine, herbal medicines are often cheaper than their conventional medicine counterparts. In addition, a growing body of scientific research shows that herbal medicines can be highly effective for certain diseases and conditions. Moreover, as research in this area um, increases, the optimum doses for herbal medicines are known to ever greater accuracy. And the benefits include the medicinal plants cost less. The rising cost of prescription drugs have led the people to look for alternatives. While medicinal herbs may not be as strong or as fast acting as conventional medicine, there is a growing body of scientific evidence that shows their efficacy and in what doses. And the second benefit is they may have fewer side effects. While the side effects of any herbal medication depend on the drug in question, many have fewer side effects than conventional medicine. Um, and the third benefit is there is a choice on how to use them. Medicinal herbs can be used in a variety of ways depending on the kind of herb that is to be used. Some herbs can be mixed with food, some can be made into tea, and there are some that are available in capsules or tablet form. And they are good for more than one condition. Most prescriptive drugs are designed for one specific health problem. By contrast, many herbal medicine act on several parts of the body at once. Um, Here are some examples of medicinal plants with its beneficial medicinal properties. So the first one is ashwagandha, which scientific name is Vitinia somnifera. So the ashwagandha is a real potent regenerative tonic due to its multiple pharmacological actions like anti-stress, neuroprotective, anti-tumor, anti-arthritic, analgesic, and anti-inflammatory, etc. It is useful for different types of diseases like Parkinson, dementia, memory loss, stress-induced diseases, melanoma, and others. And ashwagandha is used as a household remedy by Indians who consider it as the best tonic for old people and children and as aphrodisiac by young people. It is one of the best Northern tonics of Ayurveda, the most ancient system of medical sciences. And our clinical experience showed that besides the enumerated neurological conditions, brain strokes causing paralysis and neuronal deficit also improve in the long-term treatment with ashwagandha. And we are also using it in all forms of cancer, including prostate and lung cancers, especially in last stages, giving the patients lots of health benefits. And we have some. Then the second one is Brahmi, which is also known as scientifically Bacopa monnieri. It is native to India, Indochina, Australia, and Sri Lanka. The leaves are used medicinally and contain triterpenoids, saponins, alkaloids, flavonoids, glycosides, phytochemicals, and other compounds. The saponins are believed to be responsible for most of the pharmacological actions. Its use has been documented in the Ayurvedic text Charaka Samhita as a treatment for various mental conditions. Ayurvedic medicine describes Bacopa as a Medhya Rasayana, meaning a class of herbs believed to improve mental health, memory, and intellect and promote rejuvenation and longevity. The main indications for using Brahmi in Ayurvedic medicine are memory improvement, insomnia, epilepsy, and as an anxiolytic. And many clinical studies demonstrate improvements in verbal learning, delayed word recall, memory acquisition, and anxiety reduction with Bacopa. It has been described as a calming cognitive enhancer. The third one is Tulsi, uh, which is termed in botany in scientifically Ocimum tenuiflorum. This greeny leafy plant is considered a tonic for the body, mind, and spirit. Different parts of the plant are recommended for treating different conditions. It is used as its fresh flowers for bronchitis and use the leaves and seeds with black pepper for malaria. The whole plant is used for diarrhea, nausea, and vomiting. Pill and ointment form for eczema and use an alcohol extract for stomach ulcers and eye disease and the essential oil made from the leaves for used for insect bites. Um, Many studies support the use of the entire plant of this basil for human use and its therapeutic value. The nutritional value is also high as it contains iron, chlorophyll, um, vitamin A and C, calcium, etc. The fourth one is a neem, which botanical name is Ajadirasta indica. Um, Neem has proved effective against certain fungi that infect the human body. Such fungi are an increasing problem and have been difficult to control by synthetic fungicides. And uh, it is also acted as antibacterials. In trials, neem oil has suppressed several species of pathogenic bacteria, including Staphylococcus aureus and Salmonella typhosa, and it has also antiviral agents. In India, there is much interesting but anecdotal information attributing antiviral activity to neem. Its efficacy, particularly against pox viruses, is strongly believed even among those of advanced medical training. Smallpox, chickenpox, and warts have traditionally been treated with a paste of neem leaves, usually rubbed directly onto the infected skin. And recent pharmacological studies have supported the belief that neem leaves possess some antiviral activity. So, even in the United States, aqueous neem leaf extract have shown low to moderate inhibition of the viral DNA polymerase of hepatitis B virus. And in Germany, an ethanolic neem kernel extract has proved effective against herpes virus. And in horticultural studies, crude extracts also seem to effectively bind certain plant viruses and so limit infection. Then the fifth one is Greek Kumari, which botanical name is aloe vera. So aloe vera is a perennial green herb with bright yellow tubular flowers that is extensively distributed in hot and dry areas of different regions. So the colorless mucilaginous gel from aloe vera leaves has been extensively used with pharmacological and cosmetic applications. Traditionally, this medicinal plant has been employed to treat skin problems like burns, wounds, and anti-inflammatory processes. Moreover, aloe vera has shown other therapeutic properties including anti-cancer, antioxidant, anti-diabetic, and anti-hyperlipidemic. And this medicinal plant species contains more than 75 different compounds, including vitamins like vitamin A, C, E, and B12, enzymes that is amylase, catalase, and peroxidase, minerals that is zinc, copper, selenium, and calcium, sugars like monosaccharides such as mannose-6-phosphate and polysaccharides such as glucomannanes, and anthraquinones like aloin and imodin, and fatty acids like luteol and campesterol, hormones like auxins and gibberellins, and others that is salicylic acid, lignin, and saponins. Then the sixth one is Vringaraj, which is also known as in botanical term Eclipta prostrata, which means also the ruler of the hair. It is rich in proteins, vitamins, and antioxidants, which help protect the body against certain infections. And the Vingraj oil is effective in promoting hair growth as well as reducing the graying of hair. This is due to the presence of various nutrients in Vringraj that provide nourishment to the hair scalp. And according to the Ayurveda, Vringraj juice rejuvenates the skin and thereby helps reduce the signs of aging, such as fine lines, wrinkles, and patchy skin due to its anti-aging property. And the powder, along with a carrier oil like coconut oil, can also be used to manage skin infections and allergies due to its antimicrobial properties. And taking bringrass powder along with water helps in the management of cholesterol level due to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. It also protects the liver cells against damage caused by free radicals due to its hepatoprotective and antioxidant properties. And the Bringraj leaves, by taking the Bringraj leaves in the powder form, increases the production of urine due to its diuretic property and therefore helps to manage urinary complications. It is also beneficial in managing the symptoms of gastrointestinal disorders like contractions or spasms in the stomach, intestine, or urinary bladder due to its antispasmodic property. Harida is also known as Haritaki. It is a marvelous herb with versatile effects. This herb is popular as a rejuvenating herb. It possesses many medicinal properties such as antipyretic, aphrodisiac, antihelmintic, and cardiac tonic. It also acts as a carminative, purgative, and shows effective residues in digestive problems. This plant species belongs to the family Cambretaceae. It is also commonly known as harad, and it is the nervine tonic action of haritaki. It helps to strengthen the nervous system. The effects on digestion include it boosts of the digestive fire, act as an appetizer, carminative, antihelmintic, and mild purgative, and cardiac tonic. Due to Madhur Vipav, it helps to strengthen the cardiac muscles and support the healthy functioning of the cardiovascular system. It also acts as anti-edematous. Then the aphrodisiac, due to the presence of this property, it helps to maintain the healthy functioning of the reproductive system and also cleans the uterine cavities. The diuretics, it increases the flow of urine, and antiphlegmatic, it helps to reduce the cough and promote a healthy respiratory system functioning. And effect on skin, it is helpful in all skin diseases. And the last one is antipyretic. It is helpful to reduce fever. It can be used in various forms like decoction, powder, and paste, and it can be used for external as well as internal purposes. External uses include the decoction of haritaki fruits can be used to wash wounds, and the decoction is also used as a gargle to clean mouth and throat. Washing piles with haritaki decoction helps to control bleeding, and the paste of haritaki applied on boils will heal first the boils and reduce the burning sensation. And the internal use include haritaki powder is given to improve the digestion and also in the case of vomiting. The decoction and powder of harida are given to reduce fever, and the powder also can be used as a teeth powder and provides strength to the gums and act as an expectorant and given in case of respiratory disorders like cough, rhinitis, and dyspnea. Then the next one is Bahada. Bahada is a classical Ayurvedic ingredient that is extremely beneficial in relieving respiratory anomalies while balancing all the three dosas, which are Vata, Pitta, and Kapha, and nourishing the dhatus within the body. Um, it forms an important part of the magical Triphala Churna, which is composed of a blend of dried fruits of amla, um, haritaki, and Bahada in appropriate proportion based on one with amazing therapeutic properties. So, coming from a medicinal deciduous tree of the Candidataceae family, and it goes by the botanical name Terminalia bellerica and is indigenous to tropical Asia, including India, Nepal, Bhutan, China, Sri Lanka, Pakistan, Malaysia, and Indonesia. In India, it is mostly found in the plain dry forests of Assam, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Gujarat, Odisha, and Andhra Pradesh. And the plant is usually found flourishing in scattered forests, upper layer trees, or stream valleys, lush seasonal rainforest, sunny mountain slopes, monsoon forest, and mixed deciduous forest, and thrives based on fertile, loamy soils with good drainage. And it is a tree of deciduous origin that grows to a height of up to 12 to 15 meters. And it usually has a buttressed trunk at the base with branches of up to 20 meters in length. And the leaves of this tree are large, globulous, elliptic, and are alternately arranged on the twigs and clustered towards the end of the branches. And the fruits are quite similar to that of haritaki but without longitudinal ridges. And the benefits of Bahada include the anti-ulcer activity um, and anti-depression and psychosis activity, um, and cure kidney diseases, anti-fertility, and anti-obesity. So the anti-ulcer activity of Mahada extract fruits was investigated in animal models by determining the ulcer index, and the Bahada some study reported that the Bahada extract exhibited significant inhibition of stomach ulcers, decreased free acidity, total acidity, gastric volume, protein and pepsin content, while increasing the mucus content, altogether lowering the ulcer index. And the benefits of Bahada for depression and psychosis is the Bahada fruit extract demonstrated antidepressant efficacy as it drastically reduced the mobility time. The presence of tannic acid and polyphenols in the extracts may be responsible for the antidepressant action. And the diuretic efficacy of Bahada fruit extract has been studied that boosted salt excretion in urine, which benefits current diuretics. And the anti-urolithiatic activity of Bahada fruit extract was investigated in many animal studies. Now, the therapy with Bahada fruit extract significantly reduced calcium, oxalate, and phosphate excretion, which is beneficial in reducing stone formation. And also, Mahada fruit extract has shown anti-fertility and androgenic properties in the male reproductive organs such as testes, epididymis, vas deferens, seminal vesicle, and ventral prostate significantly reduced after the administration of fruit extract. And furthermore, the extract administration significantly reduced sperm motility and density. And the activity of this fruit extract is thought to be due to the selective androgen deficiency in the epididymis, which affects sperm motility and metabolism. Then the Satavari. This is a species of asparagus plant that has been used for many centuries in Indian Ayurvedic medicine. The scientific name of Satabari is Asparagus racemosus. Is said to promote fertility and have a range of health benefits, particularly for the female reproductive system. The herb is thought to be adaptogenic, which means that it may help to regulate the body systems and improve resistance to stress. And the health benefits of Satavari uh, includes improving female reproductive health, antioxidant activity, uh, anti-anxiety effects, and during the breastfeeding and pregnancy, um, Satabari is commonly used for this purpose for the boost milk production during this situation. So the antioxidant effects protect the body from harm caused by free radicals, which can damage cells and lead to the development of diseases, including cancer. Antioxidants also fight against oxidative stress, another cause of disease. And the Satabri supplements have also traditionally been used to combat anxiety and depression. And during a substance that boosts milk production during breastfeeding is called a galactogirl, and Satabri is commonly used for this purpose. Then other benefits observed in animals include promoting diuretic activity, lowering blood sugar, relieving coughs, treating diarrhea, improving gastric ulcers, etc. So then the Sarpagandha, which botanical name is Wolffia serpentina. In Ayurveda, Sarpagandha is used for the treatment of high blood pressure, insomnia, asthma, acute stomachache, and painful delivery, and for mental illness such as neuro psychiatric disorders, psychosis, and schizophrenia. And the root of Rauwolfia serpentina is the genuine source drug of sarpagandha, and it is also used in the treatment of snake bite, insect stings, mental disorder, gastric tumor, general weakness, uh, hysteria, insomnia, insanity, lipoma, paraplegia, paratyphoid, piles, pneumonia, stomach disorder, tonsillitis, traumatic wound, tuberculosis, and vertigo. And this genus Rauwolfia, belonging to the family Apocyanaceae, comprises more than 80 species which are distributed in tropical climatic conditions. And this species, Rauwolfia serpentina, is well known for the presence of indole alkaloids, and the lizarpine is the most prominent of these alkaloids and is useful in the treatment of hypertension, cardiovascular disease, nervous disorders, and as a tranquilizing agent that is in great demand by modern pharmaceutical industries. So, at the end, I want to say that let's heal with nature's real medicine and discover the power of plants, like medicinal plants, which are the mother nature's cure, and tap into nature's pharmacy. Thank you.